Hi world, good morning. How are you guys? So it's another day and we are live. Now guys, we're gonna make some punch. Today's Christmas Day. My sister, they're gonna keep up their birthday party. I wanna make some punch first, early in the morning here guys, yeah. So I'm gonna make some sea moss first and then I'm gonna make some dragon strong back. Cause the man them a work outside guys and they wanna strong up them back, you know. Alright guys, so my sea moss I soak from overnight. I'm gonna put some warm water. I don't know the drill already. And we have the blender. This is a part of the pan because yeah. So see here guys, it's soft and nice. So we're gonna blend everything. And take out that little black spot here. Oh, see Pete did it? Put 2 juice in there cause if you not be blend up something here. I true as you put in there disappearing. Alright guys, we are gonna blend this now. Just some hot water. We're gonna blend it in 2 guys. Me send me a video, you think I no video. What a mama read. Lord Jesus. Alright guys, we're gonna pour some in.
But it just smells enough.
Yes, that's what I tell you, one bigger container. I'm gonna give us one jug and use one big punch. Alright guys, we're gonna blend the second batch. Alright guys, that's it. I'm just gonna blend out the cinnamon flavor. Alright, yes. So basically guys, the one pot give me 2 jars, alright? Hi my peeps, what's up? Good morning world. Now guys, as you know, I'm in Jamaica. Why my husband, you go put rum in there. And I'm with my family and we're gonna make some strong back for them, alright? I have some creamy malt. Listen, can you get one milk? One milk, you did see milk in our fridge? I don't know if you did one. Let me just put the creamy malt. I'm gonna get some milk. We have dragon, we have supplementary, peanuts, bananas. Okay guys? Alright guys, we are gonna put some peanut in it. It's about half cup of peanut, alright? And alright guys, so I'm gonna blend it. Alright guys, we're gonna blend this out first. And we have a jug wine and ice. Yes, they're gonna use it. Alright guys, let's blend this up first. Alright guys, we're gonna pour 1 dragon. Alright guys, so that's the raw peanut there. And we have 1 big container over here, so make sure the water not in there. Alright, and we're gonna pour it in. Alright. And then now we're gonna blend the oats. I put the oats in some water already. Guys, we have to blend a little bit at a time because we don't have the big blender. I'm gonna throw some water to blend this. And then we mix up everything together. Alright guys. Just stop and mix up guys. You know see how oat is thick. Alright, a little bit more. Oh, look at this. I want to blend a little bit more. Not true. I want it to be smooth. Gonna pour it out. Then we're gonna blend the banana. We have some sweet banana. And then we have what calls grocery cherry.
This is black sitting clean.
It's clean now, or you don't it up. You put it down there, so that one little.
Sure, I see.
I'm going to blend it with it. Because then say if you put it in the after it don't water, make it water.
So you use that as a water.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
That's a real garbage.
I mean, if she don't want to come, you'll go quick there, we come. Alright guys, we're going to put a cup of sea moss gel. Alright.
You get some coconut, make coconut jam.
I went that. Oh my, this area make up fire out. I don't want to make some, but time pass, you know. Alright, we also have one supplicant. We're gonna put some vanilla, about a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons. And guys, this I have cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, allspice. I'm gonna use to make my cake. I'm gonna put like half teaspoon. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of rum. Just to bake my cake. A little bit of creamy malt Lasco. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of condensed milk. About half can. And that's it. Alright guys, we're gonna blend again. Guys, this thicker than thick. My husband afraid of me today, guys. Why are you afraid of me, Preston?
Every day.
Not every day. Alright, we're gonna blend again, guys. Wow, look at that goodness, guys. Kevin, me na my video man. With you. Come on. We're gonna pour this over here, guys. No distraction when I'm making my video. I'm gonna blend up some ice now. Guys, we're gonna put some ice. You think you can blend it up? Alright guys, we're gonna blend it. Some ice. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the mixture, the goodness. Alright. And we're gonna blend up some ice, and that's it. You want it thick and nice. Listen, you have to hold your hand up so you can't drop it on this. Alright guys, we're gonna pour that in. Oh my goodness. Holy goodness, yes sir. So good. Nice, yeah? Alright guys, so basically this is it now. Just gonna get some container and serve up some. Alright, me people them there. How are you in the house? Yes, guys, this is it. Them I go share out and taste it too, no? Up in here man, throw in there. Oh man, make sure you lock down and make it turn over. Lock it down. Pour in my glass first so we can take a video, a picture. Alright. Alright guys, see the punch here? And the guys, I'm gonna try it. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Morning, Paula.
Where your foot get it then? Where your shoulder?
Let me taste it up and tell me how it tastes. I want to go on. Yeah? Give us stand this. We put rum in there and dragon. How it tastes, cause you can go on? Can pass. I hold it now for all alone. Hey, me try to blend as much as possible. Yeah, quick cookie and blend.
Every cookie come right out.
Alright, say good. Alright guys, they say good.
No man, this is just do man. Every cookie just boil it.